JVs, this is Wesley $1 billion version. Guess what? Come here. I have another one for you. UploadBucks here. The first online software that allows you to upload videos to YouTube and get paid per hour over and over and over again. Listen, you don't want to miss this one. Listen, I've created several $1 million products on the internet. And listen, what's most important about that is people like you, newbies, veterans, people with lists, always earn 5 to 6 figures.
Ding! You just received a payment of $1,470.65. This was the exact notification I saw on my phone this morning. I received a payment of $1,470.65. Proof. This was paid directly to my personal PayPal account, so I can deposit these earnings to my bank account at any moment and spend them however I want. Now, the money isn't the crazy part. It's about how I make the money, which is a way you'd never expect. So, how did I do it? I figured out a way to get paid $59 every time I upload a video on YouTube. Just look at all the $59 payments I'm receiving. Proof. Now there's a big twist. The videos that we're uploading don't even have to be ours. So that means we don't have to deal with the headaches like recording your voice, showing your voice, editing videos, making thumbnails. Nope, you don't need to deal with any of that. Instead, we're using the videos of others. And don't worry, this is done in a 100% legal and ethical way that won't get us in any trouble with YouTube. It's all thanks to the world's first system that's paying us every time we upload a video on YouTube. Introducing UploadBucks. You see, my team of researchers discovered how to tap into YouTube's $338 billion algorithm and make it pay us $59 every time we upload a video. Let me show you how easy it is for us to start making money. Click number 1. Log in. Access UploadBucks online on your computer or mobile phone. Click number 2. Select a video inside of the UploadBucks dashboard and hit the upload button. Don't worry, this is beyond easy. It's all push button simple. And click number 3. Receive payments. Each time we upload a video, we get paid $59. Just take a look at all the $59 payments that are continually flowing into our online earnings account. You don't have to be a genius to figure this out. All you have to do is select the video inside of UploadBucks and hit the upload button on YouTube. That's it. It's just as easy as turning on a light switch. So if you're worried this is something too complicated or technical for you, you can set those worries aside, because all of that technical nonsense and hard work is done for you behind the scenes by UploadBucks. It took us 11 months and tens of thousands of dollars to develop UploadBucks. And considering we're making thousands of dollars a day with this, proof. We'd have no issue charging $497 a month for access to UploadBucks. This price would be a steal because it would quickly pay for itself. $59 payments may seem small, but they quickly add up. Now, I get it. There's a lot of bullcrap products being promoted out there. When I was getting started out, I bought an embarrassing amount of them. Maybe you have too. Which is why I understand how hard it is to be open to trying new things out. So here's the deal. I've seen how well UploadBucks is working for me and all my students, and I truly want you to be able to use it, because this is something that actually works. So I'm going to be taking the price down to a low one-time investment that anyone can afford. It'll cost you the same as having lunch out. But this doesn't come with a catch. Listen, I don't want tire kickers in my community. I want people who are ready to quickly take action, because those are who I can help. And if you're one of those people, great. So this is a strictly limited time offer. And if the low price wasn't enough to get you off the fence, you can purchase with confidence, knowing that you're protected by our 365-day better than money back guarantee. If you buy UploadBucks, try it out, and it doesn't work for you, that's our fault, not yours. And not only will we refund 100% of your purchase, I personally throw in $300 from my own pockets as a nice gesture. Yes, that's how confident I am that this will work out for you. You won't find anything else like UploadBucks out there. So what are you waiting for? Take action. Click the button below to get your copy of UploadBucks at the lowest possible price. I'll see you inside.